Welcome to this video, guys. So over the last month and a bit, I decided that it was about time to revive my search-based YouTube channel, because what happened with my search-based YouTube channel is I did a good amount of uploads. I was getting a good amount of views every single month, over 1 million, and then for whatever reason I decided to take a break. And then every single month the views just went down and down and down until they were at around 100. I believe the lowest point was 140,000 views in the last 28 days. Then I kind of lost motivation to actually do the channel, but now we're back in action. We're uploading every single day on the channel now. In April, I didn't actually go crazy with the uploads, so it was about a month and a bit that I was uploading consistently. So the results you'll see is from videos that I uploaded not today, not yesterday, but about a month back. Okay, and then you'll see the results. That's what happens with search-based. If you have good topics and you upload them consistently, you can expect a month or two later you'll see the results from those videos. So this is my analytics right now. There is a little bit of a bug with the views right now, so it should be a little bit more views, but as you can see, instead of 150,000 we got 180,000, so that's a 30,000 view increase with the videos that I did in about a month and a bit, which is not too bad. This is now getting close to what happened when my channel first blew up. Okay, every single month the views started. So instead of every single month the views slowly going down, what's happening now is every single month the views are hopefully going to go back up. We hit back to 1 million views a month, then 1.5 million views a month, 2 million, and you just need to stay consistent over the years and things like that will happen. So you can see this is April, so the last 28 days, your channel got 179.7 thousand views. Okay, so we started off the month April 1st with 5.5k views every single day. Now fast forward to the end of April, we're getting 7 on the 28th of April 2026. The highest day was 8.3, so getting back up to those 10k views per day range, which is sweet. And we can go like to the last 90 days, and you'll be able to see here that it didn't really do much, as I wasn't really staying consistent really or uploading that much. Okay, so you can see, I think the spikes that you see around the February mark is shorts. Okay, but I haven't been doing any sort of shorts. But if you just take a look at the graph right now, you can see that it's slowly going back up, and that's what you want to see with your search-based channel. So I presume in 6 months to a year we'll be in a very good spot with the channel again, making good money from the channel. Right now it's not really a main income stream for me because the views are so low, but I do have other income streams, so that's perfectly fine. So when we get back up to those 1 million, we can try to surpass that, get to 2-3 million views a month. Okay, because over the years my topic research has gotten a lot better. I'm able to identify the exact keywords that will allow me to grow my views consistently month in and month out. So that's really, really good. So you can see this was 5.1k views a day in January, and now we at like 8,000 or 7,700. So I presume we'll get to 8 and then 10, 12, 15, 30, and then we'll be in a good position again. Okay, so we can compare like if we go to April and just click on April, you can see that views are up. What is that? 28% more than March. So we got 180,000. It's going to be a little bit more because there's unreported days. For about 2 to 3 days is unreported. Okay, we get 28%. So in a month and a bit, I was able to grow my channel by 28%, which is great. So that's on the right track. Instead of losing views every single month, we'll actually be gaining views. Okay, because if we can take a look at, let's just take a look at 2025. Okay, you can see that in 2025 I was getting 23,000 views a day, 25,000 views a day. And then I took that massive break, which is not recommended when doing search-based YouTube automation. I'm the true testament of that you shouldn't take long, lengthy breaks. And also the topics did actually get oversaturated, and more competition, less relevance for the topics. So you always want to find those new topics. So you can see it went down, and you can't see it on here, but the low point was like 4.9k, and now we at doesn't even load. Okay, that's 2025. Now we need to go to 2026, and the graph looks a lot different. And I didn't really change much. You can see from 2026, we're getting like 4.9, which is really, really bad for search based. Okay, and then it goes all the way up back there. That's the type of graph that you want to see when you're having a search based channel. You don't want it to go down, because that means you're losing views, losing money. You want this. And if you want the strategy on how I was able to find the actual topics to be able to upload onto this channel, about 215, 220 videos or whatever that I uploaded, in order to grow my views back up to a good point. It's not anywhere near where I would like it to be right now, but we just need to continue with the videos. So I did make some changes. The keyword strategy didn't change, so I'm still using the search bar method. If you don't know what the search bar method is, I do have a full tutorial on that. I'll link it up in the video description. Go ahead, watch that keyword research tutorial, and that will show you exactly how I found the topics to be able to upload. Now, the changes I made recently is, when I first started to revive the channel, I was doing between 10 and 12 videos per day. But now I'm just doing 4 videos every single day on the channel, and I'm doing them higher quality videos. So a little bit of longer videos, but they'll be more in-depth tutorials. And that's just like a little bit of a test to see if those get pushed more than doing like 1 minute or 50-second videos. These ones are more like 2 to 3 minutes. I do 4 of those per day, and they're much higher quality. So we'll see the result of that test, and I'll keep you guys updated. But you always want to be uploading on your channel. So you can see, if we go to the channel, you can see that TubeBuddy actually reports 187,000, because they do the last 30 days compared to the last 28 days. And now we did 215 videos over the last 30 days. So it's going to cut back that volume to about 120 videos every single month, but the quality is going to be much better. You can see, if I go to my videos, I've changed my thumbnail template to see if this one gets a higher click-through rate, because I was doing this purple with the red and then the logo with the hand holding the phone, and now we have this black and green type of aesthetic for the thumbnails. So that's the changes I've made on my channel, doing less uploads, so we can see just 4 videos a day, and we'll see the results. And you can see the length of these: 2 minutes 30, 3 minutes 13, 2 minutes, 2 minutes 51, and so on. So they're a little bit more higher quality videos, take a little bit more time to create. And another thing I changed is, if I hover over the video right here, you can see that I'm in the video itself. So that doesn't really matter. That doesn't really play into the amount of clicks that you get or the amount of views. But I don't know if the engagement or the average view duration is going to be a little bit longer, because I'm just testing this out recently. But before, I was just, I'm in those videos. Before, I was just doing the regular screen sharing and stuff like that. So those are the changes I've made onto the channel. We can go back to the analytics, see what else I can show you. I want to show you in March. So it did grow, so we did get 171 there, but now we're back there. So 157, then 158, then 152, then 155, so that wasn't looking too good. And then we go to the last 28 days, or yeah, the last 28 days, you see 180,000, so a 30,000 view jump, which isn't crazy, but this is not shorts. No shorts have been uploaded. And now it says there's a temporary data issues affecting your views. Check back later. Okay, YouTube's having some bugs with their views right now. But yeah, that's what I did, a 30,000 view increase in a month, uploading 215 videos, which is perfect. So yeah, if you want the full strategy, go ahead for the keywords. You can click that link in the description. And if you want to join the Discord, here's the Discord server. We're getting some members joining in every other day or so. This is just to network with people doing YouTube search-based automation. So if you want to network with people, get on calls, and talk to people all doing YouTube search-based automation, you can do that. And if you also want to join, learn everything step by step with a course and everything, you can join the free school community, which is linked down in the video description. And if you got value from this video, drop a like on it, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video.